I have my bag that I put on my wish list, and my sales associate saved it for me. So I'm gonna go pick it up at Chanel right now. I'm very excited. I can't wait to show you when I unbox. So I got in the last ride for the rewards. Hopefully I will get more than 500 because the bag is more than 2,500, so hopefully I get more than 500 rewards today. I'm not sure how it actually works until I get it, but I'll let you know. What a lovely moment. I got one from my wish list, so my sales associate saved them for me, and he was able to get in to the gift reward. So I'm lucky. I can't wait to unbox it and show it to you. How sweet. It's the best thing that happened this week. And I can't wait to unbox this. I'm going back to my car right now. I'm so happy. I got my bag right here. And I went on the line to get my rewards. They told me in Chanel that maximum is only 500. They give you, even if you shop more than 2,500, the maximum amount of gift reward or certificate you get is only $500. So at least I got the 500, and it's not it doesn't expire, so I could use it on another item anytime I want. So it was a happy day for me at the end with South Coast. Alright, so I guess it helps to think positive and just accept whatever happens and go with the flow of your life. I love you, and I will see you on my unboxing. Hi my loves, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Zona. I share videos about fashion, how to style, shopping for handbags, shoes, and eating out with my handbags and my friends and family. And I also share travel blogs. Please join me here for another unboxing. I have two items that I was gonna get in Paris, but they don't have it, and it's very hard to get. This one is like a very popular bag from Chanel, and I'm glad I got to score them. I got them less than a month in South Coast Plaza, and I'm able to get the rewards for $500. It was such a fun experience. I never expected that I would get into the reward, that the bag will come just right in time before it ended. So I'm very happy and thankful to my SA in Chanel, South Coast Plaza. She made it happen for me. She reserved the bag, and now I'm unboxing it today with you. I also purchased a little cutie that is a surprise. I've been eyeing on it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it, but at that time when I was there was like 2 left, and so I decided to get it. And today I'm wearing my newest Dior earrings that I got from Paris. If you have seen my Paris haul, it's one of those videos, and I have a video with my entire Paris haul, so I'm going to link it down below, and all my shoppings recently for this year for my 40th birthday. Also, I'm wearing my Christian Louboutin, my new shoes, and it's so amazing. I'm so excited to wear them with all my lambskin handbags. I have video of that as well for my unboxing. And then I am wearing my Givenchy little cutie belt bag that can be worn in multiple ways. I have unboxing video for that as well, and I'm going to prepare a video how to style the bag and how to wear them. So make sure you look out for that. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe, share, and like my videos to your friends and family. I really appreciate that you are here with me today. So let's get to the unboxing. The first one I'm gonna unbox is this little cutie here. I am so thankful that I got this. I have this in black as well, and I don't know, I'm just twinning everywhere. I have seen this with my YouTube friend here, Miss Sakura. Hello dear, I hope you're watching. Maybe you are. We always watch each other's video, and finally I got the same thing. So I can't wait to unbox this and share it with you guys. Oh my. I try not to break the ribbons because I try to get my packaging as pristine as possible because I love to store them. And so, are you ready? Oh my gosh. Let's do it. Quite exciting. I'm sure you can guess which one is this. You probably have an idea if you watch my Chanel unboxing video from Paris, but this one I purchased in South Coast Plaza. Here it is. So let's take it out of the dust bag. Oh my goodness, she's so cute, she's so adorable. I can't wait. Let's just rip this off. Here she is. Oh, how cute. It's the pink camellia in caviar leather. It's SLG. It's a small card holder with a champagne gold plating right there. The champagne gold hardware. Wow, this is such a cutie. I can't wait to take this with me. It's so cute. I love the color. I also like pink, but of course my favorite is purple. So it comes with the authenticity card, and yeah, so here she's new in my collection. Welcome, Miss Pinky. Welcome to the family. And now let's move on to my most exciting unboxing of the day. Gosh, I'm planning to do most of my big purchases in Paris. However, I made a decision to get this one because it's so hard to get this in Paris. Some of the boutique told me that they didn't even get for a year. So I'm lucky because the waiting list opened as soon as I came back from Paris. My SA told me that the waiting list is open for this and there's guarantee that I will get it. So I put my name right away on the waiting list in South Coast. And so let's do it. Oh my God, are you excited? Oh my God, I can't wait for this. This is the one that I never owned in the past, and this kind of size in this style, and that's why I'm very thrilled because this is something really new, fresh in my collection. My daughter has one like this but in different style, but the same leather. And so let's do it. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, let's do it. Ta-da! What did you see? Uh-oh. I always trick you, but let's take this out of the box and let me show you the real deal here. Gosh, I did a lot of unboxing videos recently for all my purchases this year. Turning 40 is quite a task. I shopped a lot this birthday. Every decade of your life you should just celebrate. It comes with a little booklet here, and then of course it has my name on it for reserve. Amazing. And here she is. She was nicely wrapped right here. I've seen this in the boutique already when I went to pick it up. So they had to take it out of the package, the actual box that they used to ship them. And so yeah, it's so exciting. I don't know if you could guess which one, but charan chan chan, here she is. How cute. Wow, look at her. Isn't she just adorable? So pretty. Wow. My cute little mini, rectangular mini lambskin in black. Wow. This is a very popular bag. The minis are almost like a classic collection. It's because the price is good and it's as good as the small classic flap, but the price is better. Here she is. Oh my gosh, so adorable. It's the rectangular mini in lambskin and champagne gold hardware. How stunning. She's so gorgeous, so beautiful. I just can't explain how I feel right now. Lambskin is quite delicate, but I think for mini it's not a bad idea because you could kind of baby this and easy to wear. Smaller bag, you could protect it more than a bigger bag. So I'm okay with getting it in the lambskin. So here she is, so pretty. I love it so much. I'm going to do a separate video on what can fit in this mini and compare with my other mini bags. Also, this one is made in France. I got lucky on that. I didn't even get this at the Rue Cambon in the flagship boutique. They don't have it and they said it's so hard to get, and as well as they haven't had it for many months. They haven't had any shipment for many months, but US South Coast Plaza, they have it. I got lucky. This is 3,500 USD and this is March of this year 2020, so that's the price of this bag. So that is it for my unboxing today. I hope you like the two items that I purchased, and let me know if you have comments down below and if you have the same items from Chanel. I hope to see you on my next one, so please make sure to subscribe, share and like my videos, and hit the notification below so you would be updated whenever I upload video. Have a good day, have a good night, and have a great life wherever you are. I love you so much and thank you for watching.